Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Grains and oilseeds all posted gains on Friday, but it was in pretty low trade volume. Contracts were oversold and due for a bounce essentially as continued concerns about China linger for soybeans. Not a lot of public progress recently in trade negotiations between the world's two largest economies. As for corn, it of course is watching the weather at this point with hot, dry conditions in parts of the Midwest and Plains during some key development phases. Still, conditions are expected to be generally less threatening the closer we get to August, which is a key period for soybeans. As for wheat, the winter wheat harvest probably made some pretty decent gains over the past week, but there are the continued concerns about protein content and disease issues. Live and feeder cattle were up modestly on short covering ahead of what were expected to be bearish cattle on feed and inventory numbers. Box beef was modestly higher at midday on light to moderate movement. And hogs closed higher on demand expectations. Some of those are linked to China, but even if China hasn't been buying the expected amount of U.S. pork lately, some other nations have stepped in to fill that void. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.